What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Magic Mondays is officially back on. So today we have the privilege to be performing at the Tattoo Art Expo at Griffith College Convention Centre here in Dublin. And I'm just about to take the stage, so let's go.
Please welcome to the stage, Dean Jacob.
Are you strong? Would you be strong? Could you rip this?
I think yes.
Okay, on this side I've got weak, and on this side I've got strong. So can you just do me a favor, hold this out like this. Now tear it, look, you won't be able to tear it, tear it.
Like,
Come on, yeah, tear it. You won't be, keep trying. No? You're really, no?
No.
Okay. But that's the weak side. But if you were to look at strength and strong and being, can you rip it? Hold it out and rip it. Yeah? Yeah?
just rip it.
Yeah. Give him a round of applause. Thank you very much. First, I'll start with you. I want you to think of someone that I couldn't know. There's some paper here. There's some paper for you. So whoever that is, I'm going to turn my back. I want you to write down nice and clear who that was. Correct?
Yeah.
And when you're done, fold it into quarters. Okay? This time I want you just to imagine a globe. I want you to imagine the globe spinning in your head.
Right.
And imagine it's slowing down. And it's slowing down on a particular country. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So whatever that country that you have in mind is, write it down and fold it into quarters. I want you to pass it over to him. Mix them up behind your back so that you don't even know which one is which. Whatever one you hand me is the one we're going to eliminate. So it's the one that you don't want anymore. You don't want that one?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah. No, I'm not sure.
We'll burn it. We'll get rid of it. Okay, so I want you to focus, both of you, on what it was that you could be holding. So I don't know which one, you don't know which one. White. I'm getting white. Does that mean anything to you?
No.
White at all?
Could be.
Tell you what, I've got some more paper here. Can I borrow that pen? Can I give you that face down?
Yeah.
What was your word? Well, I have something written down there.
Okay.
So she can't, I can't.
That was a nickname of a friend of mine.
Okay. What was it?
Magic. Magic.
Magic? Can I see? Have a look. Magic. Now, so I want you to think of that country. I want you to stand right here. And you guys are going to see what I'm picking up as I'm picking it up, right? So think of that country. Think of the first letter of the word. Imagine it's in the alphabet. So A, B, C, C, B, B. Can you always read that? Yeah? What was the word? Louder? It's simple. I offered you some free stuff. You can have some free stuff. Reach in and grab one. I think I put 5 in there, but I only brought 4 of you up, so you should feel that there is one more left, correct? Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So on the count of 3, I want you to put it all in your mouth and chew it vigorously. Like it's the last thing you're going to eat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. How's it taste?
Wow.
Nice? It's amazing that ye all had the choice of which one ye picked, but you all left this one. And that was random. I didn't say pick certain cookie. I didn't say anything like that. But I'll actually get you to do it. Come on up here. Could you open this up as if you were going to bite it and be very careful? And tell me what you see inside. This was the one that all of you left.
All the needles.
What's in it?
Needles.
Those are standard sewing needles. Very pointy, very sharp, and very real. I don't imagine they would have tasted as nice as what you ate. Give him a big round of applause. Oh. Now, as Grim said, I'm doing a stunt in Waterford. For any of you that know Waterford, it's Waterford Crystal Leisure Centre. I'm doing a stunt on the 28th of October. It'll be 40 feet of chain, 20 feet of rope, 7 padlocks, a set of Garda issued handcuffs, and 50 kgs of additional weight, and I'll be dropped into 2 meters of water and told to get out. So hopefully I'll see some of you there. But until then, thank you very much, guys. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Dean Jacob!
It's a padlock, and what it means to me is it's not just a padlock, it's a Houdini style padlock. It's to simulate Houdini, escapology, and basically no matter what life throws at you, no matter how locked down that you are, you can pick that lock, get out and carry on. So this one over here is the 2 sides of a magician. I quite like the kind of a gentleman feel, and then the Joker, it's almost like a two-face. And I guess from speaking to my friends and family, they do say I've got 2 sides. There's the Dean that is at home and just relaxing with them, and then there's the Dean that's out performing or on stage, and they're 2 completely different people. So that's where that one kind of comes from, and to represent magicians and how they present themselves as being kind of gentlemen and all the rest. When you peel back that layer, and they're in actual fact jokesters and pranksters. So the reason behind this one is my love, one for Heath Ledger's Joker, and the saying is a little changed from the quote in the film. He says, want to know how I got these scars? But my one is want to know about these scars, and that's because I've got quite a few. I've got one down here from when I got open heart and lung surgery. I've got one just above the scar, or just above the tattoo on my knee, where I had to get reconstructive leg surgery. And there's a whole backstory, but that's kind of what that stands for and what it means. Yeah. It's always great to get to the likes of a TatooConvention, because it's almost like, for a magician, it's like a comedy club for a comedian. You know, you get to test out new material, and there's no one that's going to give you a more honest opinion than people covered in tattoos and getting tattoos. So the stunt coming up in October is 40 feet of chain, 10 foot of rope, 7 padlocks, handcuffs, and 50 kgs of additional weight, and I'll be dumped into the bottom of a 2 meter swimming pool. I'll have to hold my breath long enough to get out, and we're looking at about 3 minutes, maybe more, to get out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And the tickets aren't announced yet, but they will be announced soon, and they will be extremely limited. So keep an eye out, watch all the social media, and yeah, we'll catch you next month.